See the next one, 12th one. X in the bracket x square minus 1 dy by dx is equal to 1. Y equal to 0 and x equal to 2. By using a variable separable, collect x RHS side and y LHS side. So here dy is equal to x in the bracket x square minus 1 is in a denominator. 1 divided by that term x in the bracket x square minus 1 with respect to x. You observe this term again. 1 divided by x in the bracket. Can I write this term as a x square minus 1 square dx? Because 1 square value is again 1. So apply here formula a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to what? A plus b into a minus b. So x in the bracket x plus 1 into x minus 1 dx. This is a dy. Now integrate on both sides. Then what if I say integration of dy is equal to integration of 1 divided by x in the bracket x plus 1 x minus 1 with respect to x. So again by using a partial fraction method only. By using partial fraction method only to get integration of this one. So you take this one as equation number 1. Now take this term only. 1 divided by x in the bracket x plus 1 x minus 1 is equal to a divided by x plus b divided by second term x plus 1 plus c divided by third term, that is x minus 1. By using a partial fraction. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ x plus 1 x minus 1 ಅದಾವ, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ a b c ಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೋತೀವಿ. a in the bracket x a divided by x b divided by x plus 1 c divided by x minus 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Which implies that 1 is equal to a into these two terms, x plus 1 x minus 1 plus b into ಯಾವುದರ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದ b x x minus 1 plus c ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಡೋದ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದ c x x plus 1. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಮೂರು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗಳನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಿಯರ್ ಪುಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು -1. ಯಾಕೆ ನಾ -1 ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಡೀತದ, ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಈಸಿಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗೋಂಗ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಎ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು -1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ -1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮುಂದಿನ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ. Then 1 is equal to a in the bracket -1 plus 1 -1 minus 1 plus b into -1, that is a minus b, -1 minus 1 c into -1 is a minus c, -1 plus 1. -1 plus 1 ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ 0 ಆಗೋಯ್ತು and -1 plus 1 ಈ ಹೋಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೂಡ 0 ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು 1 is equal to minus b, -1 -1 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ -2, minus into minus plus, that is a 2b, which implies that b is equal to 1/2. Now we got b value. After that one, put here x equal to 0, x equal to 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ, ಈ ತರ ಈ b ಮತ್ತು c ಗಳು 0 ಆಗ್ತವ, a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So 1 is equal to a in the bracket 0 plus 1, 0 minus 1 plus b into 0, this whole term 0, second term is also 0. A into 1, a into minus 1, minus a, therefore minus a, which implies that a is equal to minus 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗ a ಮತ್ತು b ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇವೆ. ಇನ್ನ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರ c ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕು. c ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಫುಟ್ x is equal to 1 ಅಂತ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ a ಮತ್ತು b ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಈ ತರ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ c ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ 1 is equal to a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದ ನಮಗೆ -1 ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗಳನ್ನ. x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ, 1 minus 1 next plus b value 1/2 ಅದ, x value 1 ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ, 1 minus 1 plus c into 1, c 1 plus. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 minus 1 value is 0 and here also 1 minus 1 value is 0. 0 into any term 0, then these two term becomes 0. Remaining term is only 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is a 2. 2 into c is a 2c. Therefore, what is the value of c? c is equal to 1/2. This is a c value. Now we got a, b and c values. Those three values replace in the partial fraction method. See this one? One divided by x, x plus 1, x minus 1, which is equal to a value is -1, -1 divided by x. B value is 1/2, 1/2 x divided by x plus 1. C value, that is also 1/2 x minus 1. Take this one. Now from 1, integration of dy is equal to integration of, instead of this term I want to replace this value directly. Therefore minus 1 by x plus 1/2 x plus 1 plus 1 divided by 2 x minus 1 with respect to x. See this term carefully. Integration of a dy is a y is equal to, integration of this term directly, minus take outside, 1 by x dx plus 1/2 right outside, integration of 1 by x plus 1 with respect to x, 1/2 right outside, remaining term is 1 divided by x minus 1 with respect to x. Integration separate ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿವೆ, ಮೂರು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಅದ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು x ಇರೋದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, minus 1 by x value is log x, integration of 1 by x is a log x plus 1/2 as it is, 1 divided by x plus 1 integration is log x plus 1 plus 1/2 as it is, integration of 1 by x minus 1 integration is log x minus 1 plus the last term is what? See here, what is the integration constant? Because all the terms becomes a log, then what about the last one? So here all terms are log. That's why I want to take the constant as a log c. Okay na? Log c. Take here LCM 2. LCM 2. Then what happens? minus 2 log x plus log x plus 1 plus log x minus 1 plus 2 log c. This whole divided by 2. Take that 2 here. 2y is equal to minus log x square ಈ 2 ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ log x plus 1 plus log x minus 1 2 ಅನ್ನು ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ log c ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಈ ಮೂರು ಟರ್ಮ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು ಟರ್ಮ್ಗಳಿಗೆ log a plus log b plus log c ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ದೆನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ log x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ is equal to log of a log a plus log b plus log c is equal to log a b c, that like a x plus 1 into x minus 1 into c square. Log a b c. So after this one, again this term as a log a minus log b. Log a minus log b is equal to what? Log a divided by b. Log a divided by b. Apply that formula. Then 2y is equal to log a and log b. Log a by b. Log of x plus 1, x minus 1 and c square. This whole divided by that x square. In this equation, replace the given values. Y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 2. ಆ ಎರಡು ಗಿವನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 2 y ಅನ್ನ 0 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ. log x ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 2 plus 1 here 2 minus 1 c square as it is divided by x square, it means 2 square 0 log 2 plus 1 is a 3, 2 minus 1 is a 1, 1 into 3 is a 3, 3 c square divided by 2 square is a 4. Log of 3c square divided by 4 is equal to 0 there. Then what is the value of that log? Log value ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಲಾಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೋಡಿ. ಈ ಲಾಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ e to the power 0. ಈ 0 ಏನದಲ್ಲ e raised to ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, which is equal to 3c square divided by 4. e raised to 0 value is a 1. 1 is equal to 3c square divided by 4. Then c square is equal to 4 by 3. c square is equal to 4 by 3. c square is equal to 4 by 3. Then c is equal to what? c is equal to, take square root on both sides, 4 by 3, which means 2 divided by square root of 3. Now you replace this c value in general solution. So we'll get a particular value. Okay? See this one, 2y is equal to, therefore 2y is equal to log of x plus 1 into x minus 1 c square. C square value is 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Added denominator is x square as it is. Then y is equal to 1 by 2. 2 ಅನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಈ ತರ log of 4 in the bracket x plus 1 into x minus 1 this whole divided by 3x square. 3x square. If it is there any simplification, then continue. Otherwise, you can stop here only. So finally, we got the result. Y is equal to 1 by 2 log of 4x plus 1 x minus 1 divided by 3x square. Here, one more term simplification is there. What is that term? X plus 1 into x minus 1. Yenagutta? Formula apply ಮಾಡಿ. X plus 1 into x minus 1 is a x square minus a square. Otherwise, you can write 1 by 2 log of 4 x square minus 1 divided by 3x square. This is only required general solution of the given differential equation. So, this problem and previous problem ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಅದಾವ. ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಎಟ್ ಅ ಟೈಮ್ ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay? See next problem. See this one. It is too easy problem. Question number 13. Cos dy by dx is equal to a. So here cos of dy by dx ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೈತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ cos ಅನ್ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ dy by dx is equal to cos inverse of a where a is any arbitrary constant. Variable separable ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. dy is equal to cos inverse of a into dx. Now take integrate on both sides. Integrate on both sides. Integrate dy is equal to integration of cos inverse a dx. ಈ cos inverse a ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is the only constant term. Constant term. Integration of dy is a y is equal to cos inverse as it is. Integration of dx is a x plus the constant value c. So this term x cos inverse a plus c y equal to. In this equation, replace the given values, then we will get a c value. Now take the value y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0. Y equal to 1. 1 is equal to x cos inverse a. X value is what? 0. 0 into cos inverse a plus c as it is. So 0 into cos inverse that is a 0. Therefore c is equal to 1. C value 1. ಈ c value ಏನು 1 ಬಂದದಲ್ಲ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ y is equal to x cos inverse a plus 1. 1 ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? y minus 1 is equal to x cos inverse a. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ x ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? y minus 1 divided by x is equal to cos inverse a. ಈಗ cos ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ cos of y minus 1 divided by x is equal to a. This is only required general solution of the differential equation. Question number 30. Okay, see the next one. 14 question. dy by dx is equal to y tan x. By taking a variable separable, collect a dy one side and dx another one side. Tan x dx ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ y ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋತೀನಿ, that is 1 by y. ಈಗ y one side ಇದೆ, x another one side ಇದಾವ. Integrate on both side. Then what happens? Integration of 1 by y dy is equal to integration of tan x dx. What is the integration of 1 by y? It is a log y. Is equal to integration of tan x. Directly we have formula. Integration of tan x is a log sec x. And integration constant is, both side log is there, that's why integration constant is a log c. Apply here log a into log a plus log b formula. Log a plus log b is equal to log ab, that is a c secant x. Here log 1. Now remove log. Both side log is there, so log remove ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Then y is equal to c into sec x. ಇದೇ ನಮಗೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಏನು y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. Y equal to 1, replace here. 1 is equal to c sec 0. 1 is equal to c sec 0. What is the value of sec 0? Sec 0 cos 0 value is 1. So c into 1, otherwise c is equal to 1. ಈ c ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. y is equal to 1 into sec x, otherwise y is equal to sec x. This is only required general solution of the differential equation. dy by dx is equal to y tan x.